Hey there, stargazers. Ready for an out-of-this-world adventure? Let me tell you about my buddy Stella.
Wow, the Big Dipper is so bright tonight.
Remember, sweetie, the brightest stars never stop shining, even when clouds get in their way.
I won't forget, Mom. I'm going to be the best astronomer ever.
But even future star experts have their cloudy moments. In her room, Stella's having a bit of a cosmic crisis.
Huh? Is someone there?
Oh, excuse me? Nap time already? Or did I sleep through a few light years?
Whoa, you can talk?
Well, I'm not singing opera, am I? Though I do know a lovely aria about quasars.
Meet Cosmo, folks. A telescope with more attitude than Pluto after being demoted.
Hi there, I'm Stella. Are you magic?
Magic? Pah! I prefer the term celestially gifted. Now, what's a young stargazer like you doing up at this cosmic hour?
Cosmo projects the night sky onto Stella's wall, clear as day. Or should I say, clear as night.
Wow, it's beautiful. This is incredible. Say, Cosmo, can you help me with an even bigger question?
Oh? And what celestial conundrum has your neurons firing, young one?
Why do stars twinkle?
And just like that, folks, our cosmic adventure begins. Stick around to see where this starry friendship takes us next.
We're really going to space? I better pack my backpack. Oh, what should I bring?
Don't forget the moon cheese. It's a moon zing, get it?
Oh, Cosmo, you're so punny. I'll bring my lucky rocket pencil, too.
And just like that, our dynamic duo was ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1.
Blast off. Wow, the stars look so different from up here. Oh, look, there's the Big Dipper.
That's right, space explorers. Can you point to the Big Dipper? Go ahead, show us.
Cosmo, look, that planet looks like a big trampoline.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's bounce.
Cosmo, look, there are little sparkly things floating around. What are they?
Ah, those are our light clues. Quick, catch them in your backpack.
Cosmo, look at that massive star.
Great galaxies, that's one of the biggest stars in the universe. And it's making its own light through nuclear fusion.
That's right, kids. It's like a cosmic dance party where tiny atoms squish together. Let's all make a fusion motion with our hands.
Like this? This is amazing, Cosmo, but it doesn't explain why stars twinkle, does it?
You're right, my observant little astronomer. The mystery deepens.
What other celestial secrets will Stella and Cosmo uncover? Stay tuned, space explorers. The adventure is just beginning. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Buckle up, space cadets. Our cosmic journey is about to get bumpy.
We're heading back to Earth, Cosmo.
Earth? Is that the blue one or the red one? My memory banks are fuzzy.
Ah, meteors. Cosmo, we need to dodge them.
Oh dear, I was built for stargazing, not space acrobatics.
Phew, that was close. Hey, where are we now?
I'm not sure. Everything looks so cloudy.
They're lost in a nebula. Can you help them find Earth? Point to where you think it might be. Remember, Earth is the blue planet with white clouds. Can you spot it?
Don't worry, Cosmo. We'll figure this out together.
Oh, Stella. I'm supposed to be guiding you, but I can't even remember which way is up.
It's okay. We all get a little lost sometimes. Look, I think I see a way out.
Ouch, my lens.
Cosmo, are you okay?
Stella, I can't see. I'm losing my magic.
No, Cosmo. I can't solve this mystery without you. What if I'm not smart enough to be an astronomer after all?
Oh no, space explorers. Things are looking pretty grim for our cosmic companions. Will they overcome this stellar setback? Can Stella find her inner strength and guide them home? Stay tuned for our next thrilling adventure. All right, space cadets. Things look grim. But remember, even in the darkest corners of the universe, there's always a glimmer of hope.
Sniff, sniff. Cosmo, please don't fade away. You're my friend and I need you.
Oh, Stella, you're a bright young star. You'll shine on, with or without this old telescope.
Wait, Cosmo, look. The light from that star, it's dancing.
Hey, space explorers. Can you make twinkling motions with your fingers like the dancing starlight? Come on, let's all try it.
Dancing light? What do you mean, Stella?
The starlight, it's wiggling as it comes through the atmosphere. It's like the light is doing the cosmic cha-cha through the air.
Ooh, I like where this is going. Surf's up, starlight.
Imagine the light is a surfer, and the atmosphere is like waves. The light surfs through different layers of air, some hot, some cold. It bends and wiggles as it goes.
By Galileo's glasses, I think you've got it.
That's why stars twinkle. It's not the stars changing, it's the light getting bounced around on its way to our eyes.
My dear girl, your curiosity and perseverance, they're mending me.
That's right, folks. Cosmo's getting his sparkle back. Can you put your hands out and send him your curious, twinkling energy?
Cosmo, your crack, it's healing.
Great comets, you're right, I feel positively radiant.
And just like that, our dynamic duo is back in action. What cosmic quest will they tackle next? All right, space cadets. It's time to bring our cosmic adventurers back to Earth.
We did it, Cosmo! We solved the mystery of twinkling stars!
And you, my dear Stella, have proven yourself a true astronomer.
Home sweet home. But wow, what an adventure. Look, Cosmo, a comet.
Ah, yes, a celestial traveler just like us. You've got the heart of an explorer and the mind of a scientist, Stella.
Stella, are you still up there? It's way past your bedtime, young lady.
Oh no, Mom's coming. Cosmo, quick, pretend to be a regular telescope.
Stella, is that Grandpa's old telescope? And did it just wink at me?
It's just the starlight reflecting off the lens, Mom. Yeah, that's it.
Charmed to make your acquaintance, madam.
Well, I'll be a shooting star. Looks like astronomy runs in the family.
You know what, Cosmo? I think we've got more mysteries to solve.
Remember, Stella, like the stars, your curiosity will always light the way, even through cloudy nights.
And as our heroes plan their next adventure, a shooting star streaks across the sky. The end credits roll, showing Stella and Cosmo's future space adventures. Remember, space explorers, explore the universe, keep wondering, keep learning. And off they zoom into a new galaxy. Stay curious, space cadets.